Hi guys, my name's Max Heisek, and today we are going to be learning about dimethyltryptamine, or DMT for short. So some street names for DMT are Dimitri, Fantasia, Businessman's Trip, Businessman Special, and 45-minute psychosis. So what is DMT? DMT is a hallucinogenic tryptamine drug. DMT is a white crystalline powder. DMT is also referred to as the spirit molecule due to the intense hallucinogenic experience. DMT is typically consumed by snorting, smoking, or injecting the substance, and DMT hits someone instantly when it is snorted, smoked, or injected into their body within 10 to 60 seconds, and when DMT is smoked, it lasts up to 5 to 20 minutes. Where is it seen? DMT is found from certain plants found in Mexico, South America, and parts of Asia. DMT is found in over 60 plants, either in the bark, roots, leaves, or flowers. DMT has also been used in religious ceremonies in some South America countries for centuries. So, legality. DMT is a Scheduled 1 controlled substance in the United States, which means it is illegal to buy, possess, or distribute. Cities have recently decriminalized it, but it is still illegal under state and federal law. So what are the effects? So during use, intense hallucinations that alter the individual's perception of the world around them, intense visual and auditory hallucinations, euphoria, altered sense of space, body, and time. Many users describe the trip as life-changing experiences, as visiting other worlds, or even talking to alien entities. Shift the perception of reality and identity, and experience of the trip can range from intensely exciting to overwhelmingly frightening. So, what are the effects after you take DMT? Increased heart rate, increased blood pressure, chest pain or tightness, dilated pupils, rapid rhythmic movements of the eye, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. So for my teaching activity, I wanted to do bingo. So if we were in the classroom, I would have handed you guys out all bingo boards, and of course they would have all been different, and then I would have read you questions about DMT, and the first one to get bingo obviously wins. So now I'm just going to read some questions about DMT. So DMT is this type of hallucinogenic drug. DMT can also be referred to as this due to intense hallucinogenic experience. How long does it take for DMT to kick in? How long does DMT last? DMT is considered this type of controlled drug in the United States. DMT is in this form. This happens when someone takes DMT. DMT can also be referred to as this due to intense hallucinogenic experiences. A street name for DMT. One way DMT can be taken. Where is DMT found? An effect that can happen after someone takes DMT. DMT can be found in how many bark, roots, leaves, or flowers, and an effect that can happen during DMT. And that's all I have for you guys today on DMT. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or comments, My email is down below. Thank you.